In this video, I'm going to show you how you go about installing new themes on WordPress. Now, as you'll see, there are two ways of doing it. You can either choose a theme from within WordPress itself, or you can upload your own theme. And this can either be one that you've created yourself, or it can be one that you've purchased, or it could be one that you have had someone create for you. This is how you do it. Okay, I've logged into my WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, it's running the 2015 theme, which is the default theme that you get when you install WordPress. To install another theme, there's two ways of doing it. First of all, you come here to Appearance and then click on Themes. And you can see the default installation has the current theme, which is 2015. And you've got other themes as well, 2014 and 2013 that come included. And if you want to simply swap over to one of those, all you do is click the button that says Activate. And you can see it's showing that the new theme has been activated, and that is the one that it's currently showing. But if you want to add a completely different theme, then, as I said, there are two ways of doing it. First thing to do is to come here and click on Add New, or you can click down here on this space here. It makes no difference. And click on Add New. And it takes you through to this page. You can see that you've got lots of different themes that are all on WordPress. This is a link to the main WordPress server, and you can see all the different themes. You've got their featured themes, popular themes. You can do a search. You can click here on the feature filter. If I click on that, and you can decide what colors you want, what features you want. If there's a particular subject that you want to have, you can have all those. And let's just go back. And let's install this one. Big Impressor. All you do is click here to install. And there we go. That's now installed it. And we can click on this link here that says Live Preview to get an idea of what the site will look like. There we go. That's what it's going to look like. And you can change the site title and tagline and the colors, or the header image, or the background image. You can alter the widgets. You can set a static front page and so on. And then when you're happy with everything, click here on Save and Activate. There you go. That is now saved. And we can see exactly what the site will look like with this new theme. The other way that you can do it is to upload a theme from your computer's hard drive. Now, this could be a theme that you've designed yourself, or one that you've purchased, or one you've had someone design for you. All you do is click here where it says Upload Theme. And then click here to choose a file from your computer's hard drive. It should be in zip format. And then click Install Now, and the procedure is exactly the same. So there you go. That's how you can add a new theme to your WordPress blog.